Hello everyone, this is Shaw again, and I have another video. This time I need your help solving this problem. I'm trying to reset or factory reset this Nextbook, and it's not doing it. I have pressed the power down and the volume down and power button to come up with this screen, and I also did the hold the shift and hit restart on the screen, and it comes up with this screen. So what I need to do, or it doesn't do it, so it comes up with the screen and you said reset my PC, remove everything, and it says resetting or reset this PC is getting things ready. Fully clean drive. So it doesn't go all the way through. It tells me additional free space is needed on the drive where Windows is installed. Free up some space and try again. And then it gives me this option, cancel. But it doesn't go all the way through. I would have removed some stuff, but I cannot get into the iPad. So I wanted to do a factory reset and start with everything fresh. If anyone knows how to get me to the right place, please leave it in the comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.